Buenos dias, and welcome to Spanish with Señora L. I have been a teacher for about 15 years now and have taught at every level from elementary to college. Chances are, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, you may be one of my students. And if you're not, you are just as welcome all the same. Like so many others, teaching for me, just like learning for you, has changed in 2020. We have had to get creative and find a way forward together. In comes distance learning and making videos for everyone willing to learn and explore. Now I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Ready? I don't have my own classroom at home. I had to find a way to make things work, and that is where our animal friends came in. With help from our goats, cats, dogs, and various domestic and wild animals that happen by, we come up with fun and creative projects that you can try at home. We don't just speak and repeat. We want you to learn from all parts of life by seeing, hearing, speaking, writing, and experiencing. By sharing what we have and what we know, we want to make this as fun and inclusive as we can, so that we can all make the best of whatever situation we are in. The best way to keep up with all of our videos is to click the subscribe button and that bell notification to ensure that you are alerted to when we upload our new videos. As always, estudiantes, vámonos y hasta luego.